Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan your Android phone for harmful apps that you may have accidentally downloaded or something like that. Just go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down and go to System. Then go to Software Updates. And under here, we can go to All Updates or App Updates. And we can go to the top. It says right here, Play Protect. So we can scan right here for any apps on our phone that might be malicious. So if you generally download something through like the Google Play Store, it should be good. So if you scan, it should pop open any apps that might be causing a concern for your system. So just look at that as an option if you're concerned about something. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.